Hi, my name is David, and in today's video I'm quickly going to walk you through the printing process of a multicolor design with Ghost White Toner using our Little Ghost printer and RIP Software Ghost Edition. RIP Software Ghost Edition is going to be a great tool to streamline and speed up your process in preparation of white toner transfer files for your printing application. You will seamlessly create PDF output files containing both the color and the white layer to be printed on the A-foil. Everything you need for printing a great white toner transfer is, of course, one of our white toner printer bundles or a suitable desktop laser printer and one of our Ghost White toner cartridges. All these products, including our great A-foil transfer media and B-Paper Pro transfer paper and our heat presses as well as our finished paper, is available in our online shop. The link is below. You will also need a pair of scissors, a sticky lint roller and a white cloth. I will head over to the computer and show you how to import and prepare your print file using RIP Software Ghost Edition. RIP Software Ghost Edition is going to make your life as a white toner printer so much easier. In the previous video, I've shown you the installation process of the RIP Software Ghost Edition, and when you double-click on the desktop icon, you will see a blank canvas to start with. You can now import any graphic from a browser by just dragging and dropping the file onto the canvas. Now you get some basic functions. For example, you can pick up the file at one of the edges and resize it to your liking, but you can also use automated image enhancement features such as the expand to fill to canvas here on the right side, which will also ask you to remove blank space from the graphic to achieve the biggest impression on an A4 canvas. Now the graphic will be resized to max out the space on the page. You get different preview modes with the buttons up here, so that's the file you actually imported. That's a PNG, you can see it by the background. You can see a preview, assuming you will be printing on a black t-shirt with a black back canvas. This is the preview of the white layer, and the next is the preview of the color layer. So we will work with this preview mode. When you click on the settings icon, you will find features to create your white layer. First is the remove black feature. It's a great feature that we like to use. Increase the black sensitivity to a value between 90 and 100 for a good removal of black when you print on dark t-shirts. This will make your garment softer and more washable. You can also increase the white toner volume. We recommend a value of 400 here to get great color representation and good transfer quality. Then you can create your white layer by clicking on Save and Exit. Once the file is ready for print, you can just click the PDF button to create a printing PDF. You can here factor for a white layer shift by to accommodate for a registration offset by shifting the white layer from left to right or up and down depending on your printer's offset. You can also configure the print for over and under print, depending if you want to print in transfer or onto colored media. For transfer, we use overprint and choose Create PDF. You can find the output folder under C in the folder of the software and then under Output. I recommend to make a shortcut to your desktop for the output folder for easy handling in the future. Then you open the PDF file and you see the file that is prepared for double pass printing. So you can see the remove black feature and you can see on the second page the white layer, which is all black, to be printed with the white toner in the spot of the black toner. To start, we will first print the color layer page with the black toner and the color toners inside the printer. For detailed print settings, please refer to other videos. The only thing you need to do here is only print the first page, of course. Once the file has been printed, you can see that we have all the colors and the darker colors from the black toner here on the design, and that we will surely need white toner coverage to get all these lighter colors represented nicely in transfer and to make the transfer work. We will also insert the white toner, just open the toner magazine and swap out the black toner for your Ghost White toner cartridge and you're good to go. Once the white toner is inside the printer starts calibrating for the white toner printing process. To print the second page, you just choose page number 2 in the printing dialog with the same settings overall and just send the file to the printer. As you can see, our color layers have been perfectly overprinted with white toner so that all the color areas are covered with white. You can also see here that we use the knockout black feature where we will actually use the black from the textile when we apply it to the garment. We now are going to transfer the glue from the B paper on our heat press to the toner on the A sheet. For this process, please check our other videos on the A and B transfer. This is always the same process, no matter what printer or software you're using. Once the garment has been finished in the transfer process, we can see that we really get a great color representation. We can see the enhancements by using a knockout black feature here in these darker areas, and also see that we've got an almost perfect lineup of our weight layer and our color layers. And as you know, this will save you so much time when printing complex, colorful designs, either in transfer or for printing onto colored media. The software enables you to do the overprint or underprint feature, and you can accommodate for registration errors of your printer in the software. This makes RIP Software Ghost Edition the perfect enhancement of your transfer process. You will be doing more jobs in less time and getting better results every time. If you have watched the video until here, please put RIP Software into the comments. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on toner transfer, white toner printing and digital specialty printing, and also activate the bell to get notified every time we put out a new video. RIP Software Ghost Edition and all our fantastic white toner cartridges, Printer Plus toner bundles and transfer media are available on our website, and you can download RIP Software Ghost Edition for a trial by registering with your email address. Start streamlining your white toner transfer process now with RIP Software Ghost Edition. For today I say thanks for watching and see you next time.